Meaning of docket.
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 Docket. Docket has multiple meanings depending on the context. In the legal sense, it usually refers to a document that lists the cases or matters to be heard in a court session. It may also refer to a system for recording and tracking legal cases or proceedings. In general, docket can also refer to a list of tasks to be completed or a schedule of events or appointments. Overall, docket is a term used to organize and manage various types of information or activities in a systematic and efficient manner.